Lighting has the power to completely transform a space. It sets the mood, highlights your favorite features, and can even make a small room feel expansive and inviting. But you don't have to break the bank to get stunning, personalized lighting in your home. With a little creativity and some basic materials, you can craft your own DIY lighting solutions that are not only cost-effective but also uniquely yours. Let's explore some incredible DIY lighting hacks that can elevate your space, impress your guests, and bring a warm, customized glow to any room. Imagine walking into a room bathed in soft, ambient light, every corner thoughtfully illuminated, every lamp and fixture telling a story about your personal style. That's the magic of DIY lighting. The first step is to look at the spaces you use most. Maybe your living room feels a little flat, or your bedroom could use a cozy reading nook. Perhaps your kitchen lacks the sparkle that makes it inviting for late-night chats or early morning coffee. No matter the room, lighting is the secret ingredient that brings everything together. Let's start with one of the simplest and most versatile lighting hacks: string lights. These little wonders go far beyond holiday decor. Drape them around a mirror to create a glamorous vanity, or weave them through a bookshelf to highlight your favorite reads and trinkets. For a dreamy, whimsical effect, hang string lights above your bed like a canopy, or tuck them inside glass jars to make enchanting lanterns. If you're feeling adventurous, wrap them around a large embroidery hoop and suspend it from the ceiling for a stunning DIY chandelier. Battery-powered options mean you don't have to worry about finding the nearest outlet. Just place them wherever you need a little extra sparkle. Next, consider the humble mason jar. With just a few supplies, these everyday containers can become beautiful pendant lights or table lamps. Start by cleaning out a few jars and removing the lids. Drill a hole in the center of each lid, then thread through a light socket and secure it in place. Hang your new mason jar pendants above a kitchen island or in a cozy reading corner, and watch as the glass diffuses the light, casting a gentle glow throughout the room. For a rustic touch, fill the jars with stones, shells, or fairy lights before sealing them up. If you love a more industrial look, try repurposing old metal pipes and fittings to create custom lampstands or wall sconces. Combine copper pipes with Edison bulbs for a warm vintage vibe, or use black iron fittings for a modern urban feel. The beauty of this hack is in its flexibility. You can mix and match pieces to create a one-of-a-kind fixture that fits your space perfectly. Mount your creation on a reclaimed wood board for added texture, or leave the pipes exposed for an edgy minimalist look. Don't overlook the power of paper. With just a few sheets and some folding skills, you can craft intricate origami lampshades or lanterns that cast beautiful patterns on your walls and ceiling. Look for sturdy paper or lightweight cardstock, and experiment with different shapes and sizes. Geometric designs work especially well, adding a modern, artistic flair to any room. Paint or decorate your paper lampshades to match your decor, or keep them crisp and white for a clean, contemporary feel. For those who love a touch of nature indoors, consider creating a branch chandelier. Find a sturdy, interesting branch, something with character and plenty of offshoots. Clean and dry it thoroughly, then wrap it with string lights or hang small pendant bulbs from the limbs. Suspend the branch over your dining table or in the entryway for a show-stopping centerpiece that brings the outdoors in. You can leave the wood natural or paint it in a bold color to make it pop. If you're looking to add ambient lighting without installing new fixtures, try using LED strip lights. These flexible, adhesive-backed strips can be tucked under cabinets, along staircases, or behind headboards to provide a soft, indirect glow. Use them to highlight architectural features, create a floating effect under furniture, or add color-changing effects for a playful touch. Many LED strips come with remote controls or smartphone apps, so you can easily adjust the brightness and color to suit your mood. Candles are another timeless way to add warmth and atmosphere. Create your own candle holders using materials you already have at home. Try wrapping empty wine bottles with twine and placing taper candles inside, or use teacups, saucers, or even hollowed-out citrus fruits for a fresh, unexpected look. Cluster your candle holders together on a tray for a dramatic centerpiece, or scatter them throughout the room for a soft, flickering glow. Upcycling is at the heart of many great DIY lighting projects. Look around your home for objects that could be given a new life as a lamp or fixture. An old colander makes a charming pendant light for the kitchen, casting playful shadows on the walls. Vintage cameras, globes, or even musical instruments can be transformed into conversation-starting lamps with just a little ingenuity and a basic lamp kit. If you have a plain lampshade that's seen better days, give it a makeover with fabric, paint, or even wallpaper. Cover the shade in a bold print to add a pop of color to your room, or use stencils to create intricate designs. For a more textured look, glue on ribbons, beads, or natural materials like twigs and leaves. The possibilities are endless, and the result is a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your personality. Finally, don't forget about the power of placement. Sometimes the most effective lighting hack is simply rearranging what you already have. Move lamps to unexpected places. Try a floor lamp behind a chair to create a cozy reading nook, or place a small accent lamp on a bookshelf to add depth and interest. Experiment with layering different types of light, overhead, task, and ambient, to achieve the perfect balance for your space. Transforming your home with DIY lighting doesn't require expert skills or a big budget. All it takes is a little imagination, some basic materials, and the willingness to experiment. The next time you walk into your space, notice how the light falls, where it feels inviting, and where it could use a little help. Then, let your creativity shine. With these incredible lighting hacks, you'll not only brighten your home, you'll make it a true reflection of you.